What is going up, guys? Your boy Epic Viper 13. As you can see, my brother's right there. What up? Yeah. So today I'm gonna talk. I'm recording this on the 16 Pro Max. So if you see the quality difference, let me know on the comments below. But today we're just gonna do a quick video for you guys, like how does my setup look like and what I have on my desk. Pretty short video, but I want to start doing more vlogs for you guys and as well as gaming videos. But that should be coming soon. You know, I have a lot of ideas to do, but here we go. So this is my setup. As you can see, my two monitors, my monitor speakers, and the other one is down there. Look, I got ice cream. And yeah, that is pretty cool. Here is my keyboard. Pretty cool. This is the noise. This is my microphone, is the blue snow. I don't think it's a snowball. I have a snowball, but I got this as an upgrade. I forget what's it called, but this is what I use to record music as well. And of course, my internet connection over there. This is my how I control the sound from my computer to the microphone. And of course, I got Fluffy right there. Gabriel Iglesias, I went to see him live. And then of course, Demon Slayer. And as you can see, this is the phone that I have right now. One of the phones. This is the S24 Ultra. Looks pretty cool. Look at that. Say hello. I think I turned it off. I think it's off, but this is the S24 Ultra. This is one of the best phones out there. Coming in next, I got the Google Pixel 9 XL. As you can see, this is the Google Pixel. Looks amazing. This phone is pretty cool. I like it. I got the white color, so it looks nice. And as well as I got the Z Flip 6. As you can see right here, Z Flip 6. This is cool when it turns on. This lights up. I can show you, I think. Let me see. Let me turn it on. I think it's out of battery. I don't really use them. And here is my Motorola Razr 2023 edition. I didn't get the new one, but this is the last year one. It's another flip phone, Motorola Razr, as you can see. What up? Pretty cool. And then here is my Note 10 Plus that I got like when it released, like I don't know, 5 years ago. It's almost 6 years. So this is the Note 10 Plus. Then they stopped making the Note and they started pretty much doing the Ultra, which is this one here. But this one is pretty cool. I like the color. It's different from any other color. And then I do have the 15 Pro, as you can see. Kind of dirty. I haven't used this, all dust. So this is the 15 Pro. As you can see, 15 Pro. I don't use it. I guess it's just there. But yeah, that's how many phones I have now. And then this is the 12 Pro Max that I'm trading it in as a trade-in. I just have to go to the Apple Store to trade it in. Pretty much, this is going to be the trade-in that I'm using for my 16 Pro Max. So I got $1,000 off from my carrier. So I just have to trade this in. And then pretty much, I only pay like $15 a month for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So this is the trade-in that I used. Previously, I had the 14 Pro Max, but I gave that to my dad. He gave me his old phone, so I just used it as a trade-in so I can get the 16 Pro Max. And then for my other stuff, I do have my Galaxy Watch 7. This one I got free. So this, I don't even use the watches, but I guess this one's free. This is the newest one. But this is the Bluetooth edition, not the LTE. So you just have local connection. Then I have the Galaxy 6 Classic Watch, which this one spins. It's pretty cool. And this one, I changed the band. But this is the Classic Watch. And this is for the Galaxy as well. And then this is the Active Watch, I think 4 or 5. I got this a long time ago. It's off, but this watch is pretty cool. I put this band to this band, as you can see. And I do have the Apple Watch, but it's the Series 3, I think, or 4. I forgot which one it was. And then that one, like I don't even have it charged anymore. But I'm gonna start using it again, or I might get just a new Apple Watch because that one is pretty old. But here is my pocket knife, as you can see. Shout out to my cousin who gave it to me. And just kidding. But yeah, pocket knife. You gotta get strapped. Just kidding. But this is pretty cool. I use it to cut up boxes and stuff like that. And yeah. And last, I have my AirPods noise cancellation. So these are the AirPods 4 series noise cancellation ones. So these are go for 180, and these are pretty good. They do look like last year's model, but they do have Type C now, and these are noise cancellation. So if you're gonna be spending like $300 to $400 to $500 on noise cancellation headphones, and you want to budget ones, I recommend these ones. These ones are pretty good. They sound good. They have noise cancellation. So I mean, I'm happy with these purchase. So these are pretty good. I'll be using these for like probably the gym or just to, when I'm like traveling. These are good. Other than that, that is my setup. As you can see, I got Travis Scott over there. Travis Scott there, the rodeo. And then I have, that's my brother's like vinyl records, but they're pretty cool. And then I do have some anime stuff right there. I got the One Piece mug right there. Going down there. There's the record player. And that's pretty much it. Then this is my PC. So as you can see, just my phone's there, a small pile. My computer down there. Pretty simple setup. Not much. And then my brother there, as you can see. So if you guys want me to do like gaming videos or anything like that related to gaming, just let me know. I want to start doing gaming. There's a lot of things I want to do, but it just takes time, and it's hard to find time now since I've been working a lot. But nevertheless, I'll be posting stuff like that for you guys. Because YouTube has been something that I really like to do. I gotta find the time to do it now. So other than that, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's quick video. Just a quick setup video. It hasn't really changed, but here and there I changed some stuff. Like, I forgot to mention this. I changed this. This is like a koi fish, as you can see, koi fish, and then the pretty much it's the sun in the middle, like the Japan flag, and it looks pretty nice because this was the old one. Look at that, dirty as hell. But nevertheless, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is your boy Epic Viper signing out. Peace.